looking for a little more subtle approach to this year's Valentine and seasonal accents, then this is the right place for some extra tips this holiday season. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, and I think you'll adore these Valentine decorating ideas that'll be sure to add a lot of heart to your home and none of the fuss. First, choose a softer shade of Barely There pink or blush to give a nod to this lovey-dovey holiday without taking pink to the extreme. You can also add some throw pillows, maybe some mugs to your kitchen counter, and blankets are an easy accessory to add and then swap out as soon as Valentine's Day holiday has passed. 2, forego those bright reds and pinks altogether and instead consider a neutral heart-shaped garland or a window decor to dot your home with that perfect pinch of sweetness. And 3rd, if you have some faux greenery, pull it out for Valentine's Day hack. Simply attach a wooden heart in the middle for a tasteful, affordable decoration to add, which just adds that touch of cheer for Valentine's. Now, decorating is so much fun and adds just an extra energy to a home for each holiday as well as spring ahead. Subscribe today for additional seasonal concepts to bring into your home as well as more Kansas City neighborhood adventures. From the Walton home team, happy Valentine's Day, friends.